Hi, I'm Julie Young with Tri-Young Business Solutions. We're a computer consulting firm, and our role is to take care of the computer systems for the small to medium-sized business owner. We are a local company here in Phoenix, Arizona, and we serve the greater Phoenix area and have clients all the way up to Flagstaff, Prescott, and down to the Tucson area as well. What we provide is an outsourced IT department, not like you think of outsourcing. We are a local company. We have local engineers that come on site and do work remotely as well. Our goal is to make sure those computers are up and running, that they're backed up, and that they're secure so that you can take care of your business, which is probably handling your customers, your products and services. We all have to depend on our computers for business, and our goal is to make sure you can depend on us for that role. Who I am, Julie Young, I am the owner, founder of Tri-Young Business Solutions. I started the company in 1998 after working for at least 15 years in the industry. My background comes from working in a large financial institution. My staff that work for me, I have 2 network engineers that are Microsoft certified, and they also have worked in large data centers and done lots of training and implementation of systems. Our benefits that we can provide to you as a business owner is 1, reliable systems so that we can increase your productivity, relieving of stress so that your staff has an IT help desk that they can call instead of coming and banging on your door when you need to make sure that you're managing the business. Another thing that we do that's a great benefit is we help you build a strategy for your IT. That way, when you are buying equipment, when you're trying to determine how to change your processes, we can come in and analyze that, do a needs assessment, and give you a strategy to move forward that gives you a good 3 to 5 years plan on your IT with a budget in place and with your peace of mind as well. Again, I am Julie Young with Tri-Young Business Solutions, and we look forward to helping you meet your business needs.